Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is break number 126A. It is 4 boxes of 2015 Panini Crown Royale Retail Football. All the team names will be up on the left side of the screen in a minute after I get the payments. I am just waiting for the final payments. And all I'm going to do is take the packs out of the boxes. Good luck. After this, there's a 3-box baseball break. There are some unsold teams there as well. There's 4 packs. Empty box. Four packs. Empty box. Four packs. Empty box. Four packs. Empty box. Unless I specify different, all cards and my breaks ship, except for the last break, which is the first time I've ever done that, because these cards are so fat, thick, and heavy. It costs more money to send them than it's worth. Let me check for the payments. All right, I got BK. I have Dan. I have Three-Legged Dog. Which I'm just going to put that out so I make sure you get it. Let me do this now. Welcome, Justin. Justin, if you could, please click the follow button. Anybody else that's new, please click the follow button. I would appreciate it. Right below the screen. Walt, I got you. Young Guns got you. Justin. Oh. I got 2 Justins. So, JR, I got you. And who got the Chiefs? Yankee. Welcome, Yankee. Let me know when you send. I'm just waiting on yours. Jay Wild. I know I have you. Welcome. Snappy. Welcome. Steve McCoy. Do you have any teams in this break or the next break? Or JMCK? Or East Coast Breaker? Which two? Uh, Let me take a guess here. Do you have the Rams and Titans? That's what I figured. Welcome. Thank you guys for the fill. I'm just waiting on the last payment. Got it. We're good. There's all your teams. Thank you all for the fill. And good luck to you. Here we go. Box one. The girlfriend goes away. That seems to help. Don't ask why, but this guy's got a mind of his own. Chorizo's the guy that pulls the one-on-ones. Okay, few simple rules. If somehow I lose my internet connection or my internet goes down, I'll stop everything I'm doing. As soon as I get my internet up and running, I will continue the recording. All my recordings are posted to YouTube. If a multiplayer card comes out and somebody owns a majority of the teams, they get the card. If there's no majority owner, it'll go to random. Basically, what you bid on was a business card. This is being an eBay break. This is what you bid on, is a business card. You will get that business card unless you paid on time, which you all have, so thank you. You get all the team names or whatever teams you have on the left. If a card comes out, I'm going to use this as an example. If a card comes out, and let's just say it's in a Bills uniform, but on the bottom it says Seahawks, and on the back it says Seahawks, it would go to the Seahawks. First and foremost, though, I do use the checklist. Good luck. Here we go. Box one. If somehow we get points, I'll be pissed, but they will be random off to everybody in the break. All right, we have a Bryce Petty rookie, green parallel for the Jets. We have the new running back for the Seattle Seahawks, Tony Romo. Or no, he's the quarterback and Russell Wilson's the running back, right, Dan? Congrats to the Cowboys. Tony Romo. And to the Chiefs, we have James. Oh, good luck with this name, Jeff. O'Shaughnessy. And if you guys want to hear more of these names, especially if you've been drinking, get in the hockey break. Congrats to the Chiefs. That is a parallel rookie. Gridiron. Mark Ingram. And we have a Vernon Davis. I'll call it like bronze. 115 of 199 for the 49ers. Blank card and the gridiron. All right. Gridiron. Jared Cook. Carson Palmer. That would be our hit. We have a Carter rookie for the Colts. No number on that one. Carson Palmer, which I showed you. For the Ravens, Kings Court, Joe Flacco, Steve Smith, and Justin Forsett. And our hit, good luck, Rick. I am in Illinois, but I am very close to Milwaukee. I can make it to Milwaukee in an hour. I'm 30 minutes from the border, tops, and I can make it to Milwaukee in an hour. Oh, because of chorizo. No, I'm a huge Cubs fan, but it's easier to get tickets up by the Brewers. That's why we have chorizo. Don't ask me why. And to the Vikings, all on sticker rookie autograph. Pruitt rookie. That is sick. Grats. Look at that. Well, that would help. 10 of 25. Grats to whoever got the Vikings. Sorry, it won't focus right now. I got you, Rick. I'm hearing noise in the background, K. Watts. But there was 1 minute left and the Hawks have the lead. That's cool. Congrats to the Vikings on that hit. But that's how I got chorizo. And don't ask me why, but he happens to be the good luck charm. Even though right here I got Chris Bryant. All right, back to the break. Gridiron, we have a Pro Bowl. T.Y. Hilton for the Colts. Red parallel for the Jags. Nick Marshall, refractor, rookie. No number on that one. Sammy Watkins. Vernon Davis, blue parallel. And wow, man, this would have been sick if it had ink. Here we go. How about a rookie silhouette Tevin Coleman jersey patch? And damn, sorry. See, Chorizo's producing. We have a 4 or 5, Vernon Davis. Blue. Congrats to the Niners. I'll come back to that. And Tevin Coleman is 283 and 299. All right, focus, you damn thing. And I think BK has the Falcons, if I remember. Yes, BK has the Falcons. There you go, BK. 283, 299. I was close to hitting a 101. And dang, that Tevin Coleman is fat. That would have been sick if it had ink. And who got the Niners? Joseph. Four or 5, Vernon Davis. We've hit many out of 5s in this room. And a few 101s, but we need more 101s. And last pack, box 1. All right. Kings Court, Arizona Cardinals, Palmer, Fitzgerald, Ellington. We have a red parallel rookie, Bashard Perryman. And for the best team in football, excuse me, Swami rookie for the Cowboys. Gridiron, DeAndre Hopkins, and Matt Forte. Round out your first box. BK lives in the Superdome. Then when he's bored, he lives on the beach. But if you really need to find them, just look for the Hilton that has the best internet service. All right, box 2. Good luck. All right, here we go. King's Court for the Cardinals again. Palmer, Fitzgerald, Ellington. We have a refractor rookie for the Bengals, Watson. No number. Gridiron. Jeremy Maclin. LaShawn McCoy. And there's a card behind there. Ah, that's why. Blank card. Arian Foster, green parallel for the Texans. Die cut. Let's do this one. Good luck. Yeah, the 101. Yeah, you need to go back there. I mean, you had one hell of a week. All right. CJ Anderson of the Broncos. I have the other 12-box case in the store as well. Nick Boyle, refractor rookie for the Ravens. Gridiron. Justin Forsett. Uh-oh. Oh, somebody's going to be angry. We have a green parallel Tom Brady. And that goes to Jeremy H. And our red parallel, blank card, good luck, is Greg Olson for the Panthers. 68 of 99. Congrats to the Panthers. Anybody that's here for the baseball break, that will be right after this. Like I said, I'm running a little bit behind tonight. But what's new? Gridiron. All right. Jermaine Davis, rookie refractor for the Giants. Delaney Walker. Philip Rivers. Charles Woodson, die cut, red parallel for the Raiders. Philip Rivers, if I didn't say his name already in our hit. Goes this way. How about a jersey patch rookie silhouette of Devin Funchess for the Panthers? These are thick, sweet cards. If they had ink, they'd be awesome. Now, if I could find one with ink, that'd be real sweet. But serious, Tevin Coleman and Funchess already. A 4 or 5. And an out of 25 autograph. We're doing all right. Now, good luck. Gridiron. Is this who I think it is? Yes, this time a red parallel. Bryce Petty, rookie for the Jets. Darren Smith, refractor rookie for the Bengals. Derek Carr for the Raiders. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. And the hit is for the Packers. All on sticker autograph, rookie of Demarius Randall. And that is numbered 2 of 199. Congrats to whoever got the pack. Blank cards and the gridiron. All right, good luck. Box 3. All right, let's just test this theory. Maybe he's really pissed at me. Maybe this will help. I'll give him back his girlfriend. I'm going out on a limb. All right. Anybody that's still around, I will have more eBay breaks this whole week. I think the only 2 nights I do not have eBay breaks will be Tuesday and Thursday. Otherwise, they are packed. Well, see what happens when I give him back his girlfriend. I have pulled this card before. This popcorn guy. I'm going to use that for the auto, which will go right there. All right. For the Colts, Luck, Hilton, Andre Johnson. For the Colts again, Refractor rookie, Carter. No number. Gridiron and Phillip Rivers. And again, there's 2 cards right there, which I'll show in a minute. Let's do this one. Blue. I do not remember seeing blue. But that is cool. For the Titans, Marcus Mariota rookie. That is cool. I will sleeve him up in 1 second. Kaepernick. A Tomlinson rookie refractor for the Eagles. No number. Gridiron. Nick Foles. And we have an AJ Green. 149, a 199 for the Bengals. No, Prime Sigs is in the store. I will put a link up in between breaks, unless somebody wants to throw down the Prime Sigs and the hockey. Those are the 2 that seem to be on the fastest move. Oh, Mariota. Don't ask me why, but as a Cowboys fan, I really like Mariota. All right, pack 3 of box 3. Good luck. Victor Cruz, green parallel die cut for the Giants. We have Abdullah rookie for the Lions, red parallel. Uh-oh. We have a Kawhi rookie for the Saints, red parallel, refractor, which is numbered 3 of 199. And that went to BK and the Saints. Well, I guess his luck don't stop. BK, how many teams do you have in this? 2? 2. Wow. I think it's time you go get us a lottery ticket. And we'll put it next to chorizo and see what happens. Gridiron, Fitzgerald, and Peyton Manning for the Broncos. Good luck. Here comes the hits. Gridiron. All right. For the Lions, Matthew Stafford, Pro Bowl. Red parallel. For the Chargers, Smith rookie. Refractor. No number. Hill. Sankey. And the hit goes this way. How about an all-pro jersey patch? There's a Sankey. All-Pro jersey patch, Sam Shields for the pack. 118 of 299. You have, haven't you? I'm seriously going to go run and grab some scratch-offs myself. Put them right next to your name. All right. There's a blank card. I don't know why. I just have it. Okay. You guys all can see everything on the small camera too, but there's a dartboard. There's the popcorn. All right, Jason Witten. And how about a... Oh, it's for the Vikings. I'm sorry, Dan. I thought it was the Ravens. Taylor Hinkie, red parallel, rookie all-on sticker autograph. That is number 86 and 99. I thought it was the Ravens. I did. I'm sorry, Dan. I did. I thought it was the Ravens. Congrats to the Vikes. The Vikings have hit 2 autos. And the Jason Witten is a gray parallel, which I will find out the number in 1 second. 86 and 99. And Witten is 86 of 199. All right. We don't need popcorn, man. All right, last box. Good luck. Come on, big auto. Wow. You know, I knew that pack was fat. I just didn't realize it was that fat. Holy crap. Good luck. Man, I hope there's ink on that. And that ain't no piece of cardboard. Yep, that's a hit. That is the fattest pack I've ever pulled out of this. Guaranteed. Good luck. Here we go. Gridiron. Tony Romo. Sam Bradford. Well, that was by accident, but grats to the Browns. Rookie royalty. All on sticker autograph. Well, not all on sticker, but close enough. Danny Shelton. The Browns are JR. I'll get to that number in 1 second. Patrick Peterson. And Eric Tomlinson, refractor rookie for the Eagles. Danny Shelton. Is number 6 of 99, JR. You think so? I think it's a fat card, like a patch, but a 1 of 5 or something. Or it might be like a 1. I don't know. I don't want to get my hopes up. I'll say a 1 out of 10. No book, though. I don't think it's a book. Gridiron. All right, Patrick Peterson. This is a green parallel. Des Bryant, die cut, red parallel. Randy Gregory rookie for the Cowboys. Refractor. No number. Greg Olson and Big Ben and a blank card. 2 packs to go. Good luck, especially if you haven't got a hit. Gridiron. All right, green parallel. Men at Arms, Matthew Stafford for the Lions. Kings Court, red parallel, Cam Newton, Funches, Olsen. Diggs, refractor rookie. No number on the Diggs, I'm sure, but let me check. No number. Bolden, Tannehill, blank card, and here comes the last hit of the break. Good luck. Man, this thing is huge. I'm going to save that just in case. Here we go. Antonio Gates. Let me think of how I want to do this. All right. Gridiron. Card goes down. The gridiron are covered up. All right. Thomas. Gray refractor. 20 of 199 for the Broncos. Flacco. Men at Arms. Red parallel. And a Quentin Rollins refractor rookie for the Packers. And good luck, the final hit of the break. What did I say? I first said out of 5. Then I said I hoped it was at least out of 10. It's not a 1-on-1. But it's a 205. Good luck. It is Duke Johnson, rookie silhouette for the Browns. 2-color patch. That's pretty sick. That's JR. Congrats, JR. And not bad. This really was not too bad. If these had ink, we'd be in great shape. And yep, that is by far the thickest card I've had out of this stuff. Well, thank you all for the fill. That concludes break number, I think, 126A. Yes, it was. And here comes 127A, which will be 3 boxes of baseball. I'll show you the product in a minute. It's 1 of 2014 draft and 2 2014 Prism. And like I said, there's 11 left in that break.